Why does my HVAC system trip the GFCI outlet? Your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system trips the ground fault circuit interrupter outlet because a tiny bit of electrical current is leaking outside its normal path, usually from moisture, a worn part, or a wiring issue, and the outlet senses that leak and shuts off power to protect you. Think of the ground fault circuit interrupter outlet like a very alert lifeguard watching a swimming pool. It is not watching for big problems, it is watching for the tiniest sign that something is wrong, even a drop of water where it should not be. Inside your outdoor condenser unit, there are motors, capacitors, and wires that can develop small cracks or gather moisture over time, especially after rain or high humidity. When even a tiny amount of electricity strays off its normal path, the lifeguard outlet blows its whistle and cuts the power immediately. Something a lot of people do not know is that older air conditioning units were never designed to run on these sensitive outlets at all, so builders sometimes wired them incorrectly, causing constant nuisance trips even when nothing is actually broken. If your system is fairly new and still tripping, that moisture buildup inside the compressor or a failing capacitor is often the real culprit, not the outlet itself. One common mistake is assuming the outlet is broken and just replacing it, when really the problem is coming from inside the unit itself, so always have a technician check the compressor and wiring first. Another misconception is thinking this trip means the whole system is dying, when often it is a simple fix like drying out moisture or replacing a cheap part. People also forget that many local codes actually do not require these outlets for permanently wired outdoor units, so double check if yours was even required in the first place. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app, JobBit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.